Good morning. This is yet another case where the government policy, political party ruling the government policy is totally different, and government advocates appearing before the High Court are behaving indifferently. They are not even keep in mind that some of the orders were not passed by their government, but it was passed by earlier government. And despite the fact that that order was not legally sustainable, they want to fight tooth and nail to establish their immature knowledge of law. See, this is one more starring case which, if you go through, can really understand the stand of the state government and their political party and the government leaders before the court. This is AR 2025, Madras 272. AR 2025, Madras 272. H. Santosh versus District Collector, Tirupattur District, Tirupattur. Here what had happened, the doctor pair having two children wanted a caste and religion free certificate. That was rejected, stating that Tahsildar has no power to issue such certificate. So when they went to single judge writ petitioner court, the single judge accepted the submission of the government pleader and rejected the claim of the petitioner. Then it went to Justice M.S. Ramesh and N. Sendil Kumar bench. He has categorically discussed various aspects of the importance of religion on one hand and the importance of caste, which was governing our India. Particularly, so many things at paragraph 2 and 3. Paragraph 2, my lord has discussed about the religious system, why that was very important, including Hinduism, Islam, Christianity, Sikhism, Buddhism, Jainism, etc., major religions. And also discussed about the four varnas, Brahmin, priests and scholars, Kshatriyas, warriors and rulers, Vaishyas, traders and merchants, and Sudras, laborers and service provided. Apart from them, the bench also said there are two other castes who are subject to discrimination. Finally, they said already since the appellant filed 3 copies of such certificate being issued by the very same Tirupattur Tahsildar, apart from that, by reading section 25, reading out principle, doctrine of reading out principle, section 25 says that including secular activities can be regulated, and the religious practice are subject to some restriction. All these things, after discussing that it is your duty to recognize the freedom of conscience of an individual to choose their own religious belief. So the appellant seems to choose his religion, no caste. Therefore, he said he has issued a direction to pass necessary government orders with specific instruction to the revenue authorities to positively entertain applications seeking for grant of certificate of no caste, no religion. So the single judge order was set aside, and within 1 month the authorities were directed to issue certificate. See, this is what happening. I hope you understand this. Today is Godara Gauri Vradam. The women folk used to observe fast whole day, and thereafter, after presenting sweets to Godari, means Parvati, and they used to take food for the purpose of their husband. That is one hand, and you may notice multi-number of news nowadays. The husbands are being killed by wife because they are not behaving like husbands. Best wishes.